Hey, this is Mrs. Gervasio here with your homework for Tuesday, October 8th. Let's go ahead and jump right in. We are going to be working on multiples. Multiples are the result you get when skip counting by a number or multiplying by a number. 2, 4, 6, and 8 are some of the multiples of the number 2. When I look at this array, I see many things. I see many different addition and multiplication and division problems. But right now I'm looking at it and I'm seeing actually multiples of 2. And the addition sentence that I could make with these multiples are 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And typically how we add that up is we actually end up skip counting. We typically end up saying 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. But we already knew that. I just wanted you to see it, see what it really looked like. So again, we would have 2, 4, 6, 8. And a little bit of review from yesterday, a multiplication sentence for this array could be 4 groups of 2. And to find the answer, our multiples would be very helpful, knowing how to skip count. So 4 groups of 2, there's 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay? So of course we know 4 groups of 2 actually means 4 times 2 equals 8. Because I cannot stress enough that this groups of here really means to multiply. Okay, now when I look at this array, I see a group of 10 and another group of 10. So I see my addition sentence would actually be just plain old 10 plus 10 equals, well, if skip counting would again help us. I'm sure you already know the answer, but you would skip count from 10 to 20. So our answer there is 20, obviously. Again, I know you know the answers, but what we are doing now is we're learning these strategies with the things that you already know, with the multiplication facts that you already know, so you understand the concepts better. So when we get into tougher questions, you'll already have the foundations. And of course our multiplication sentence would be 2 groups of 10 equals 20, which is 2 times 10 equals 20, of course. Now when you see 2 times 10 equal 20, I really want you to think just 2 times 1 equals 2, and then you are adding that 0. Okay, now when you see these arrays, you see, I'm sure you see the addition sentence, 100 plus 100 equals 200. Again, everything I'm sure you already know. And our multiplication sentence would be 2 groups of 100 equals 200, or 2 times 100 equal 200. Now, when you see 2 times 1, or 100, I really want you to think 2 times 1, and then that will equal 2, and then you are just bringing down those 2 zeros, okay? Alright, so here comes the question part of our homework. Okay, you will need to copy down the array, this array right here. Then you'll need to skip count and show the multiples below each section of the array. Then you'll need to show an addition sentence, a multiplication sentence, and answer the question, is 17 a multiple of 3? And then you have to explain why or why not. Remember that you can always look back in our tutorial to review, or if you are confused about something, I expect that you'll look back in our tutorial to help you solve your problems. Your second question, which again, all of these may be very, very simple for you because they are review. However, they really do lend itself to what we're doing next and building on what we're doing in the future. So I want you to copy this problem down and then fill in the blanks. And you need to write a multiplication sentence right there underneath it. And your final problem, which is only 3 problems, boy, you're sure lucky, 8 times 400. Again, I expect you to look back into our tutorial to see exactly how to do it and what I expect you to be writing down and the steps I expect you to take. Okay? So that's it for your YouTube homework. Yay, second YouTube homework. Make sure that you write all of this down on a clean piece of paper and bring it in with you tomorrow morning to show me what you did in your homework. And make sure to let me know if you have any suggestions on how we can improve or make this more exciting or make it easier for you to learn. Okay? All right, well, thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful evening.